Hi there. Welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where we turn science into fascinating stories. Today, let's dive into something that might sound odd, but is incredibly important. Wastewater-based epidemiology. What is it? Simply put, it's the science of analyzing wastewater. Yes, the stuff that goes down your toilet, to understand the health of entire communities. Weird? Maybe. Brilliant? Absolutely. Here's how it works. When people flush their toilets or wash things down the drain, tiny traces of what's inside their bodies, like chemicals, medications, or even viruses, end up in the sewage. Scientists collect and study this wastewater to find patterns in what people are excreting. It can even reveal hormones, giving clues about stress or environmental health impacts. Why does this matter? Let's say a community is experiencing a spike in COVID-19 cases, but many people don't know they're infected yet. The virus's genetic material, RNA, can show up in wastewater even before people feel sick. This gives health officials an early warning, like a radar for potential outbreaks. And it's not just viruses. Wastewater can reveal the presence of drug use, environmental toxins, or even how effective a vaccination campaign is. It's like a health report card for the entire population. No invasive tests required. How does it help? Imagine being able to act before a problem spirals out of control. Wastewater data can guide public health decisions, from increasing testing in certain areas to managing resources during outbreaks. It's fast, cost-effective, and protects individual privacy, as no one's personal data is being tracked. The future of WBE is exciting. Scientists are exploring its potential to monitor antibiotic resistance, detect pollutants, and even predict future health trends. So next time you think of wastewater, remember, it's not just dirty water. It's a powerful tool that's helping us build healthier, smarter communities. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you next time. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.